So hello there, this is Srivasa Gaurasetti and you are watching my channel. So in the previous video of compiler design, we have discussed about the lexical analysis phase followed by the syntax analysis phase. Syntax analysis phase only a gist we have discussed and lot more things are present there, and we will continue from this video. And before going to more core concepts, we will check out what are the different kinds of parsers. So in the previous video we have discussed about what is a parser, or else what is the process of parsing. So to derive a given string, for a particular string we have to derive from particular rules. So from where are these rules obtained? So these rules are the grammar and its production rules. That is, to derive a string from a given grammar and its production rules, we say this process as a parsing. Okay, so every compiler or else every programming language has its own syntax. So this is where it changes, that is, it is having its own rules. So let's get to know what are the different types of parsers we are having. And this is very short video, just we are checking out the classification. Let's go. So parsers we are having basically two types, that is a top down parser and a bottom up parser. So this is a type of parser, means how the approach should be. Either we should go validating the things in a top to bottom wise, or else bottom to top wise. Okay, and again we are having subcategories. In bottom to top approach we are having LR parser. So this category of LR parser is most important for us. We will discuss all the remaining examples, but we will focus more on LR parser. And here another operator precedence parser. So operator precedence in sense basing upon symbols, minus, plus, multiplication symbol. We are having an operator precedence, right? Basing upon that, and another parser is generated. So this parser divides the tokens into parse trees basing upon the operators. Okay, so coming to the top down, see, the validation is done from top to down. That is the basic format of this parser, and with backtracking and without backtracking. Okay, this backtracking terminology we will check when we really go to this core concepts, because if I say right now, you would be something like, oh, I didn't get anything. Okay, so backtracking and its concept I will explain in the further videos, and we will check out the most important one, LL1 parser. So in this thing, the bottom up LR parser is most important, and it's there are again subcategories of parser, that is LR0, SLR, CLR and LALR. LALR1, CLR1, SLR1. So this terminologies and everything I will explain. Just for the time being, don't mug it up or anything, just look at this video and okay, we are having a hierarchy, that you remember, that's all. Okay, and with backtracking there is no further classification, and without backtracking we are having further classification, that is a predicative parser is possible, that is LL1 parser, which is non-recursive descent parser. Okay, so terminology would be completely new, and I promise that I will make it very easy for you. And in the next video we are going to check out the basic and important things that we should know before starting this parsing concept, that is follow function and first function. These two functions are very much important for any kind of parser, may it be top down, that is top down approach parser, or bottom up approach parser. So let's meet there and we will solve various kind of problems, and it will clear every concept for you. Thank you.